As an artist, I live for my audience. Providing them with my best is so important to me. COVID-19 has meant we have all had to keep our distance as we do our bit to keep the world safe.
As a result of the pandemic, performers like me have lost our connection with fans, friends and those who support our live shows. I was tired of making music videos that were viewed the same way without creating anything new for my audience. I felt like now was the time to try a new way of connecting with those who watch my performances.
Now I can share augmented and virtual reality live streams directly to my followers. This gives my audience a new way to experience my art. It definitely fills a void I felt during COVID-19.
I don't have to record anything differently. I simply upload my 2D video clips to PRYNTD and watch as my videos are converted into 360 AR VR live stream or on-demand experiences.
I love the way that my lessons appear in virtual reality. I can see my teacher and it's like I'm in the classroom. I really miss school and struggle to concentrate at home, but this makes me feel like I'm in a regular classroom.
Ladies, as an influencer, I'm passionate about my followers benefiting from my experiences as best they can. And PRYNTD gives me an easy way to provide a 360 experience that can immerse them into my videos on a whole new level with just a QR code.
PRYNTD has been designed with ease of use in mind. Content creators and managers can simply create an account online and upload their MP4 video content and live streams for conversion to augmented reality. Content creators can monetize from a free ad-supported version of our platform. This can be done by subscriptions or a revenue generation model, which is priced from £1.99 for viewers of their video content. This is before they share the newly created AR, VR and QR code video links on their social media platforms. Viewers can then use their mobile or tablet to activate the QR code links in their browsers and start watching the immersive content, joining up as subscribers if they need to. They can also choose whether to watch with or without AR, VR headsets or haptic wearables.
Hi, I'm Bernie and I'm the founder of PRYNTD. I collaborated with my experienced architect and designer to develop
a unique deep learning AI algorithm that enabled us to design one of the world's first immersive, on-demand and live streaming enabled platform.
Apple and Facebook and Microsoft already investing millions in AR and VR. PRYNTD saw an opportunity to create immersive experience for influencers, marketeers, content creators, artists and musicians.
Immersive videos are featured on nearly every US Billboard #1 since June 2020. We have generated 125,000 immersive views for our content creators, including a US Billboard #1 hit single featuring our immersive technology. We see a growing market in immersive experiences for fashion and shopping, as well as education, live events and on-demand experiences.
We currently have affiliate program partnerships with Vans, Boohoo, JD Sports and more.
For investors, we have SCIS and EIS Advanced Assurance, and we intend to use our crowdfunding campaign for investment in the future for development, marketing and scaling of our PRYNTD platform. If you want to support our mission to introduce more connected experiences in a growing market, join us. The future is immersive.